too many messages? Keep your inbox organized by moving chat back to the message request within a few taps. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to move someone back to the message request on Instagram. It's simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Start by opening the Instagram app on your device. Now tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner of your feed. This is where all your DMs are stored, whether they are from your friends, followers, or new contacts. Next, find the conversation you want to move. Tap it to open. It could be someone you don't want to follow or a chat you just want to clean up. In the conversation, tap on the name at the top of the screen. This opens the conversation setting for that user. Now tap on the three-dot icon and select Restrict. A confirmation message will appear. Again, tap on the Restrict option and the conversation will instantly be moved back to your message request folder. Your conversation is now in message request, and you can access the message anytime by going back to your DMs and tapping on the message request option at the top. So this is how to move someone back to the message request on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.